Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Lundiwe Gumede and you are definitely welcome. So in today's video I am going to share the things that I think big YouTubers don't share with us small YouTubers. Number one, quality video is the key in YouTube. So you need to have a quality video in order for you to gain more view. You need to have a quality video to gain more view. But at the beginning, like it's when you're starting your channel, you don't need all these expensive things. You can start with your smartphone, because at that time you are learning how to like speak in front of the camera, you are learning how to edit and all those stuff. But you must bear in mind that on that process you won't get any view. It's just the way you are doing things, it's just the way you are practicing to just do, or to just do the perfect, to just be comfortable on camera, to be able to edit your video. But it is the start. You must know it is the start. For your videos to get more views, you must have a quality video which is highly edited, which has a catchy thumbnail. The other thing that I think big YouTubers don't share with us is that you have to outsource. You have to outsource some of the things on your on your activities. You can film your video and you can hire someone who can edit your video, or you can hire someone who can do a catchy thumbnail for you. The website that I know that have people who can help you do those things are Fiverr and Upwork. Fiverr and Upwork and 99 Design. 99 Design, yeah, I'll check their last one and leave it down on my description. But you have to find websites like that. Find someone who you will feel comfortable with, who can do your editing, who can do your thumbnails, so that you have a quality thumbnail and you have a quality videos. Another thing that you should know is that you should make a research before doing your video. Don't just think of a video and just post it. Make a research. Search whether that video is trending. There are people who are searching for that video. Search of all of those things. They are VidIQ and there is Tubebuddy app that is going to help you, and it's going to show you if the topic that you wanna film a video on have more views. So you need to make a research on that. And there are videos too that are helping us small YouTubers and telling us how to film, how to edit, how to get more views. So like, get to know those videos, spend time learning on those videos. They are so helpful. And then the other thing that I think it's so important is the thumbnail. You need your thumbnail to be on top. So you need to not just take one photo and just put it there as your thumbnail. You need to take like more photos, like many photos where you can choose from, in order for you to get a perfect thumbnail, in order for you to get the perfect thumbnail. And also what they don't tell you is that YouTube takes a lot of time and energy to grow. But if you are willing to grow, you need to be consistent. You need to like do this every day. Not like every day, but you need to make time for it in order for it to grow. When you are doing it today and you're leaving it for like the next 2 months and doing it, it won't grow. You need to take your time, put more time and effort into your YouTube channel. So all the intros and outros, the videos intros and outros that you see on videos, the YouTubers outsource those intros and outros, which is not the bad thing, of course. In order for you to have a quality video, you need to find someone who can do what you cannot do, which is not a bad thing. If you are a YouTuber and you wanna film a high quality video, and you wanna post a high quality video, you need to hire someone who can do something that you cannot do yourself. So hiring or outsourcing is not a bad thing. If you're a small YouTuber and you do have like money to outsource, I recommend you to do so. It's will help you to like gain, like have, it will help you to have a high quality video more faster. But if you cannot afford to outsource, you can start by learning to do things by yourself until you find the means to outsource or to do things better for your YouTube channel. And then let's grow, guys. Let's build a community. If you are a small YouTuber, subscribe to this channel. I'll subscribe to your channel and build a community. Let's teach each other the strategies of how to film, how to edit, and how to promote our YouTube videos. See you on my next one. Bye. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Please do not forget to like this video, comment down below, share with others.